Welcome back to my channel. So in this video I am gonna do coconut peanut drops. So I'm using one native coconut. If you live outside of Jamaica, you won't be able to get native coconut because native belongs to Jamaica, and as far as I know they do not export it, but it is the best coconut in the entire world, trust me. Native is very soft, the flesh is very soft and milky and everything nice about native. Anyway, when choosing coconut or a coconut to make, whether you're making coconut peanut drops or just coconut drops, it's best to use coconut or coconuts that is, the shell is more of a lighter color. For example, this one, and in my opinion this one is even too dark. It should be a bit lighter. This one is too dry. You see the shell is very dark. This is ideal for coconut rundown, but it's not ideal to making coconut drops because it is very much, the flesh is very much mature, and as a result of that the flesh is tough, as they say in Jamaica. So when you make the coconut drops are tough. I mean, I like it. Maybe you like it, so you can use it. So I'm just offering you some tips. So it's best for you to use coconuts or a coconut that is of light. The shell is light color, like this one. And this one is even too dark, as I mentioned before, because you want the outer part of the coconut to look like this. You see how it look? Yeah. You see it? So the coconut is very, very soft. So when see it? So when you eat the drops is soft and not tough and not cut up your gum. You understand? Yeah, man. So you want it. Alright. Also, I'm going to use a piece of ginger root that I already peel and crush to bring out the flavor. And I'm not grate it because this is traditional thing I'm dealing with. We don't grate it with the traditional thing. I don't want the ginger to eat. I only want the ginger for its flavor, but not to eat. And then I'm going to use some peanuts. That this is raw unsalted peanut or peanuts that I parch. Right, so I'm going to use some peanuts, and this one native, this is native coconut. So I am going to cut up the coconut into bite sizes or small pieces or whatever, like so. I just want it to be small as possible, or to your preference. So I will do that and then come back. Oh, one more thing. So no, I will not be adding any vanilla spice, what you call it, cinnamon spice or nothing like them there, because a grease do them something there and then people follow. Me not follow grease. As I say, I cook Jamaican traditional coconut peanut drops. The only thing we use are ginger and sugar and the coconut and the peanut, if you have put peanut in it. That's all. So I cut the coconut into strips and then each strip into small cubes. Try to make them as uniform as possible. Yeah, man. So that is about it for the coconuts. In this pot are 2.5 cups of water. So I'm gonna add the coconut to it, and also the ginger and the peanuts. So I'm gonna put this to boil over medium heat for about 20 minutes before adding the sugar, because I need the peanut to cook, else it go tough. I mean, I like tough. I mean, I like it when it's tough. You understand? Yeah, man. So what I'm gonna do, as I mentioned, I'm gonna put this over medium heat, cook it for 20 minutes, and then me take the camera over there to let you see what's going on. So 20 minutes Add pass. So now I am gonna add 2 cups of sugar. Alright, let me tell you something. If you notice, I added 2 cups of sugar as I mentioned before. Coconut drops or coconut peanut drops originated in Jamaica, and it is a sweet treat, as we say in Jamaica, ideal for children, or should I say mostly people like it. Now, because of the sugar content, if you are pre-diabetic, do not eat it. If you are diabetic, do not eat it. If you live a sedimentary lifestyle, it's best if you do not eat it either. Now, I am gonna allow the sugar and the coconut and the peanuts and the ginger to boil until the water reduces and becomes sticky. Then I will come back to show you what to do. Alright people, so I'm going to spoon out now on a grease sheet. Immediately after I finished spooning out the drops, I realized that I should have let the drops stayed on the fire a bit more longer, because as you can see the sugar is running, so that tells me that the sugar needs to dry out some more. So I put the roasting pan on low heat and use a spoon and mix the drops together again, just stir up everything, right? And then I just keep stirring for 4 minutes until the sugar dries out properly this time and smells like it was kind of sort of burning. Yeah, and I use a spoon and spoon out the drops again, but this time on a cookie sheet wrapped with foil paper. So this is it, my coconut peanut drops. Very soft. This is very important to me when I'm eating drops. Occasionally I eat the drops, by the way. I should be able to swallow everything and not spitting out the coconut because it is so tough. And I already explained in the video how to achieve soft coconut drops. So this is actually coconut peanut drops. Yeah man, so thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel. Remember to click the bell icon. Jah guide and bless. Walk with until next time.